What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve with Printer Gang Investments, and we here for another state of the market. So yesterday we had the NVIDIA GTC conference. Conference went well. We got new chips. They announced partnerships with the whole industry, but it looked like it wasn't good enough for the market in the short term. We going down today. Market started tanking. You're gonna catch me making day trades with some puts. I'm gonna be showing y'all some gains later on, but that's another story. In other news, I got some great news just now. Apparently Pltr got a price target upgrade to $37 a share. It's like the goddamn future's coming true. It's all coming to fruition. We had Dan Ives with the $35 price target. Now we got these new analysts with the $37 price target. I think that's street high. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is what we like to see. You know, I ain't gonna lie, I got $40 calls for real. So this is right up my alley. But basically, it's that Titan contract. The people who upgraded today upgraded it on the basis of what the defense business is finna do. They said they're gonna do a lot of things in that defense business with AI. They starting to understand how real this is. They starting to understand the AIP is no joke. The way I try and put it in layman's terms, if you got a business, the AIP is gonna help you make more money. It's gonna help your revenue go up and your costs go down. And on the government side, it's real simple. It's gonna help you kill your enemies, and it's gonna make sure that you and your people aren't the ones doing the dying. It's real simple. They saying it's more than a cybersecurity play. Like, I like CrowdStrike, I like Salesforce, I like the cybersecurity plays, but this is something a tad different. And everything we just been doing the research on is just coming to fruition, man. Like, I heard them say again at the NVIDIA conference, oh, for every dollar of AI spent is gonna be 12 or 13, 12, 20, whatever they talking about. You just gotta read between the lines. We got companies like Pltr getting price target upgrades. They telling y'all the money's finna be in the software spin. We actually got people thinking software companies gonna outperform NVIDIA and the chips over the next 5 years. I'm just saying, guys, you might want to get yourselves positioned, because it's going down out here. I ain't gonna lie, it's going down out here. I'm trying to accumulate more of these positions. I'm trying to ride this AI wave. I'm gonna try and stay diversified. I bought Celsius energy drink, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, I've been in the market a long time, and this look like just a game over situation. Like, Dan Ives saying it's a 1995 moment. If you know what that means back in the day, the original internet bull runs apparently started around the 1995 era, topped out around 99, 2000, which gave us the infamous .com bubble. But a lot of even the people that's a little skeptical, a little paranoid, even they're saying, if this thing crashes, if NVIDIA crashes, these chip stocks crash, it's gonna be several years before they crash. Like, so this isn't maybe one of those situations where you want to sit back and say it's a bubble, because it's like, if a stock finna go up 3-4 years before it comes down, you might want to be involved during them 3-4 years. Like, that's how Mark Cuban made his money. Ran it up during the tech.com run, and when things went left, he was hedging and he was out of there, and he got a basketball team now. So I'm telling everybody, just stay alert, stay aware. This market is gonna get really interesting. Do your research, lock in with your positions, because it's gonna be big things in store for us. I was looking at a few investors, Amit and the boys from Finance Junkies. They was having a discussion on what they think might be the next Magnificent Seven, as they say, for the next decade or so. And they said 4 stocks that I got and would have no problem adding to for the next several years. That would be CrowdStrike, Pltr, AMD, and Uber. It's some others in there, but them 4 I'm very familiar with, and I see what they're saying. Those Uber I would feel is the riskiest, because they got regulatory issues with their paying stuff, but they growing, they went profitable. They have multiple business segments. I can't knock them. AMD, self-explanatory. Pltr and CrowdStrike, I feel like Pltr is gonna be one of the biggest software companies, and I feel like, looks like CrowdStrike is taking that crown as the #1 software company on the cybersecurity side. So we got a lot of opportunity, people. It's gonna be a lot of short-term gains to be made and a lot of long-term gains to be made. Just keep your eyes on the ball. Don't get distracted. There's plenty of money for us to get out here. You just gotta be patient, be calm, keep your eyes open, do this research. You gotta read between the lines. For example, we saw what happened with Dell last week, or what was it, a few weeks ago, not last week, when they announced a partnership with NVIDIA. They do 34% in a day. NVIDIA gets on a GTC conference and says Dell's one of their most important partners. We might need to read between the lines. A lot of these forgotten about computer companies, the Dells of the world, the Intels of the world, the Microns of the world, they're going to be a lot more useful than they once were. And as an options trader, I'm looking at those type of stocks because the stocks have been so flat for so long. If you know anything about options, the implied volatility is going to be very low. So if those stocks go up, you're going to make crazy money. So, you know, this is just a state of the markets address. I'm just giving you guys my sentiment, my thoughts, how I'm feeling about the current state of where we at. And everybody just like, comment, subscribe, share down below. It's your boy Steve from Pltr Gang Investments. The market's about to open soon on my end. So I'm going to get back to you guys later on. And y'all have a great morning.